So I'm so glad that this is today available. And but before telling how you can have this, I just want to make sure that you do understand how to use them. The onguents are to be used on the body. You can use them on just the part of the body that you feel is manifesting one of the soul wound, or on the entire body if you're mixing the 5 of them or 4 of them or 3 of them, because it is clearly possible. But first you have to test them on a small part of your body. It can be on the end or here, just to see if your skin is going to tolerate the product. And also I would like to say that this is a product that is not recommended to be used on kids under 6, and is not recommended to be used on pregnant women, because the level of sensitivity is so high. We don't want to disturb the well-being of any pregnant woman here, or any kid under 6. If you want to try those products on kids under 12, I think it's better to make a test first somewhere on the skin to see how they do tolerate the products, and then you will be able to use them if they do tolerate them well.